down.
Thank you, sir.
Hello student. Look here. Today our discussion is going on. Our subject name is here. That's mathematics. Mathematics is very interesting subject for all of you. Last period we discussed about factors and multiples, and this period is also for all of us. Discussion is going on the unit of test for divisibility. This is our today's unit, test for divisibility. Now, here are some tests in our mathematics, and these tests are very important for the first calculation. For the faster calculation, tests are very important. You understand about that. Then here is our first test. First test is here. Test of divisibility by 2. Then second is test for divisibility by 3. Test for divisibility by 4. Test for divisibility by 5. And test for divisibility by 6. These are 5 tests that should be going in our class today. Now first test is here. First test, that is test for divisibility by 2. This 2 is also important here. We know that 2 is a even number. Everywhere we see this number. Then test for divisibility by 2. You know some examples about this test, because we have seen the definition of even numbers, and this definition of even numbers and test for divisibility by 2, they are similar to each other. Then who can tell me some examples test for divisibility by 2? Yes, Nitya, stand up.
100, 102 and 160.
Very good. 100, 102 and 160. Okay. Here is a 100. Then in this test, looks towards the only unit place digit. Only unit place digit. In this first number, which is unit place digit?
0.
0. Very good. 0 is a unit place digit. Then in the second number 102, which is the unit place digit?
2.
2. 2 is a unit place digit. And in the third number 116, which is the unit place digit?
0.
0. 0 is a unit place digit. Means in this test only focus on unit place digit. Our focus must be on unit place digit. Here is a 0, here is a 2, here is a 0. Then I like to define our test for divisibility by 2. The definition is here that the number whose unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of it, this number is completely divisible by 2. Understand? The number whose unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of it. This number is completely divisible by 2, and these are 3 proofs for this test explanation. Means this test for divisibility by 2 is over here. Now guys, who can tell me definition of this test? Who can tell me definition of this test? Test for divisibility by 2. Who can tell me? Anyone? If anyone, come on, tell me definition.
The number whose unit place digit is 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of it is called as test for divisibility by 2.
It is called as the test for divisibility by 2. Now, here is a test number 2, test for divisibility by 3. Now, in this test, focus on addition of digits. There is difference between number and digits. Number, only one number, but digits more than 1. Okay, this is a small difference between number and digits, and in this test only look the digits addition of digits. Now anyone can tell me examples of this test? Who can tell me the examples of this test? Yes,
12,
12,
120,
120,
102.
102. Okay, very good. Sit down. Look here. 12 is a number. 12 is a number. And in this number, here are 2 digits. Then which digits? 1 and 2. These are 2 digits here. Take addition of these 2 digits. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then 120 is a number. But here are 3 digits. First 1, then 2, then 3. After that take addition. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. This is a addition. Now 102 is a number. But here are 3 digits. Then 1 plus 0 plus 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Then we get addition 9. After observation, these numbers, digits addition, we find out that here is a 3, here is a 3, here is a 3, means all these 3 number digit addition is in the table of 3. Thus, all of these numbers are divisible by 2. Then, how test for divisibility by 3? I can define here. I like to define here that the numbers, digit, all the digits addition. This addition is multiple of 3. Then this number is completely divisible by 3. This is called as test for divisibility by 3. This is a test number 2. Number 3, test for divisibility by 4. Now in this test, fit in your mind that test for divisibility by 4, 2 digits are only important. First digit is a tens place digit, second digit is a unit place digit. This is a unit place digit, means 2 digit, tens place digit, unit place digits are important in this test. Then I define this test here that the number whose tens place digit and unit place digit form a new number, then this number is completely divisible by 4. Then this is called as test for divisibility by 4. And examples are very easy. You understand about the definition. You are familiar with the definition. Who can tell me examples of this test? Yes?
428,
Yes?
12,
416.
Yes.
460.
Yes, very good. Now, here is a 428. Here is a unit plate digit 2. I'm sorry. Here is a tens plate digit 2. Unit plate digit 8. Then we get a new number. That's a 28. This 28 is completely divisible by 4. Thus, total number 428 is divisible by 4. Now, in this 416, which is the tens place digit? 416. Yes?
1.
1. 1 is the tens place digit. After that, which is the unit place digit? Yes?
6.
6 is the unit place digit. Then we get the new number. This is the 16. 16 is also present in the table of 4. Thus, this number 416 completely divisible by 4. Now, next number is here 460. In this 460, which is the tens place digit?
0.
Which is the tens place digit?
6.
6. 6 is a tens place digit. Which is the unit place digit? Unit place?
0.
0. 0 is the unit place digit. Then we get a new number. This is a 60 and 60 is divisible by 4. Thus, 460 is completely divisible by 4. This is a test for divisibility by 4. And after that, here is a test number 4 is also here. This is a test for divisibility by 5. Now this is very easy test. This test is related to 10. Both of the tests are similar to each other. In this test, there is need of only unit place digit 0 or 5. Here is need of unit place digit 0 or 5. Then this number is completely divisible by 5. The number whose unit place digit is 0 or 5, this number is completely divisible by 5. It is called as the test for divisibility by 5. Example, yes?
150.
150.
680.
680.
95.
95. Very good examples. Now, here is a 150. Only focus on which plate digit? Unit plate digit. Only focus on unit plate digit. Now, here is a, in this number 150, unit plate digit is 0. Thus, this 150 is completely divisible by 5. Second number 680. Which is the unit plate digit? Yes?
0.
0. 0 is a unit plate digit. Thus, this number is completely divisible by 0. After that, in this next number 95, which is the unit plate digit? Yes? Yes?
5.
5. This is the unit plate digit, that's a 5. Thus, all of this number 150, then 680, 95, all these numbers are completely divisible by. Then here is a test for divisibility by 6. Now, student, in this test, fit in our mind that we have need of 2 tests. We have need of 2 tests. Test of 2 and test of 3. 2 tests are important here, and in this test, the number must be even number. Here is need of the number must be even number. We know the even number. You can tell me the definition of even number. Who can tell me the definition of even number? Yes.
The number whose unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of it is called as even number. Start.
It's a correct definition of even number that the number whose unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of it. This number is called as a even number. That's a simple definition, and in this test the number must be even. Okay, number must be even, and in this test there is need of two tests. Test for divisibility by 2 and 3. Both of the tests are important here. Now, anyone can tell me example of this test? Who can tell me? Yes.
18,
18,
30,
30,
306.
306. Okay. Now here is a 18. First, check out. 18 is present in the test for divisibility by 2. 18 is also present here. Why this 18 is applicable for the test for divisibility by 2? Because unit place digit is a 8. Thus this number is completely divisible by 2. Okay, first condition completed. Then second condition, test for divisibility by 3. 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8, how many? 9. Then 9 is also completely divisible by 3. Thus this number is also completely divisible by 3. Then 18 is completely divisible by 2 and 3. Thus it is divisible by 6. Next, 30. In this 30, unit place digit is also here. Unit place digit, that is a, yes,
0.
0. 0 is a unit place digit. Thus this number is divisible by 2. After that, addition of 2 digits is here. How many addition of these 2 digits? Addition of 2 digits. Addition of 2 digits is here. That's a addition of 2 digits is here.
3.
3. Addition of 2 digits is here 3. Thus this number is divisible by 3. Now here 306. Unit place digit is, unit place digit, yes,
6.
6 is the unit place digit. Thus this number is divisible by 2. And addition of these 3 digits, how many?
0.
Addition of these 3 digits,
9.
9. Addition of these 3 digits is 9. Thus this number is completely divisible by 3. And when the required number is completely divisible by 2 and 3, then this number is completely divisible by 6, and this is called as the test for divisibility by 6. Means we started from test for divisibility by 2, and here is a ending at test for divisibility by 6. All of these tests are very easy when you go step by step. Every test having a certain condition, and to put this or fix this certain condition in our mind, all of these 5 tests are very easy. They are not difficult. Thus that lecture is also enough for all of us. Then all the audience, listen carefully my lecture, and after listening carefully to my lecture, first subscribe, then like, and I am waiting for your valuable comment. How the lecture was here, then please like, subscribe and make a comment. Thank you.